Did you know that just 15 minutes of exercise a day can seriously boost your health? Yes, it is true. Regular workouts can improve your mood, increase energy levels, and even help you live longer. Crazy, right? So if you think you don't have time to get fit, think again. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm super excited to share with you an amazing workout routine that can change your life. This routine is not only effective, but also designed to get you fit fast. So if you're ready to transform your body and mind, stick around because you're going to love this. Now let's face it, getting fit is not always a walk in the park. A lot of us struggle with common obstacles like lack of time, motivation, or even just knowing what workouts to do. Maybe you think you need to hit the gym for hours, or perhaps you're overwhelmed by the information out there. Sound familiar? You're definitely not alone. These challenges can make it super hard to stay on track with your fitness goals. But guess what? You don't have to let these hurdles stop you. Okay, let's dive into the workout routine I promised. This routine is designed to be done in just 20 minutes a day, 3 times a week. We'll be doing a mix of bodyweight exercises that you can do anywhere, no fancy equipment needed. First up, we've got jumping jacks. Let's do those for 1 minute to get our heart rates up. Next, we move on to push-ups. Aim for 10 to 15 reps. This exercise is fantastic for building upper body strength. After that, we'll hit some squats for 1 minute, which work those glutes and thighs. And don't forget the plank. Hold it for 30 seconds to strengthen your core. You can wrap up with some cool-down stretches. The best part? This entire routine only takes 20 minutes and you'll feel amazing afterward. Now let me tell you about Sarah. She was just like many of us, struggling to find time to work out and feeling stuck in her routine. But once she started following this workout, she began to see real changes. In just a few weeks, she lost weight, gained confidence, and felt stronger than ever before. Sarah's story shows that with commitment and the right routine, anyone can change their life. If she can do it, so can you. So, to recap, we've talked about a simple yet powerful workout routine. That takes only 20 minutes out of your day. Remember, consistency is key. You can do this, and the benefits you'll reap go beyond just physical appearance. You'll feel healthier, happier, and more energized. All right, now it's your turn. I want to hear from you. What are your fitness goals? Drop a comment below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more awesome fitness tips and workout routines. Also, check out my other videos where I share even more ways to stay fit and healthy. Thanks for watching, and let's get fit together.